Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how we do our personalized gift box. So you take your Oasis, then you put it in water, then the excess you just take it on the side. So put the Oasis in water, then from the flowers you take the food that is provided in your flowers and then you put it in the water. But I like putting it on the Oasis. This is to make sure that the flowers stay a little bit longer, or you need to make sure that the flowers last a little bit longer, so the food helps. Then while this is soaking up, we have the gift box. So we just remove the honey, how much it was costed. So this was a 50 Rand gift box. Okay, while this is soaking up, you take your box and you put the lid on the bottom. Then you take paper, just normal paper. I use the normal paper as my bottom, So I use it as my base so that it can elevate the gifts that you're going to be getting, or the gifts that you're going to be giving away. So you need them a little bit elevated. So an example, actually, I should have shown you how it would look without the elevation and how it would look without. So an example of the box without the elevation is this, without the elevation. But when we elevate it, it's going to be a little bit higher. So you just get paper to put on the bottom of the gift box. So as you can see, when you put it here, it's a little bit higher, it's a little bit higher, and it's a little bit higher. So this also helps. So I got my roses for 134 from Checkers. So I just have to now cut the paper of the rose. Checkers, it's elevated. I'm going to cut this. We're going to use the same plastic into our box. So you just need to remove how much the flowers cost. So we're going to use this on the bottom. The reason why we use it on the bottom is for our Oasis. You don't want the box to get wet, so we just need to put the wet side on. We just need to put the paper into the box. I'm just putting it in. So I just got extra paper for the box. So there's extra paper. Okay. So once this is done, and the paper is in, this is how it's going to look. Now you're going to take your Oasis. Just make sure it's got water. So you're going to take your Oasis brick, then you're going to put it on depending on which side you want to use. Let me just use the Oasis side so that you remember what it is. It's Oasis. You just have to put it facing in the box. So don't forget that the box should not get wet. So make sure that the Oasis is within the paper. Yeah, there we go. Then we take our roses. So she said she wanted pink and white roses. So we take our roses and then take a scissors and you take per rose, depending on the height you want, you're gonna cut diagonal, and then okay, this is not necessary. This is not necessary. Then you put it as high as you want it to be. So we have 10 roses that we're going to be using. So you do the same thing here. Sometimes you can leave the leaves, depending on how they are looking. You can leave the leaves. So it's already taking form, it's already taking shape. I really like how it's coming out. This is how it's coming out on my side. Ouch. So this is going to be the front of my gift box. So once you have them in, you're gonna start putting your goodies into the box. So we have champagne. So you can put the champagne at the back. We have some chips. So you can put champagne and you can put the chips here, depending on how you want it to look. Since that's all front, you can actually just put it front. And then chocolate, so chocolate and all this. Then the other goodies that you have, you're gonna put them in between the spaces. I put it at the back. So this is how it looks. So what I usually do is I'll take some leaves from these and then I cut them. So just cut the leaves so that in the spaces, in between the spaces, there is some leaves, and you can put them in. Leaves in the Oasis. Cut some leaves. So this is just to make sure that the Oasis doesn't show and it's covered. So the leaves, don't ever throw away the leaves, because you're gonna use them in to making the roses come out and show their beauty. So here just have to put some in front. Some in the middle. So you just keep taking it around so you can see which area needs the leaves. So So I don't like these purple ones, they look like they're dead. So I just remove them. So yeah, the leaves look pretty old, but anyway, then we just cut. And then here we go. So here's how our gift looks. So basically, this gift box is for our birthday. So we're gonna add a balloon, but that'll be on another video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, let us know. And if you've also attempted to do it, please let us know and show us what you have come up with. But this is our end result of our gift box. So yeah, here you go.